Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create this scroll image transformation in Framer without writing any code. I got inspired by this website, links to the site and the free remix link for this project in the description. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, go to layers, desktop, click this layer to make it stack, then press F1 on keyboard to add a frame, width, fill, height, viewport 100 VH, make it layout, then go to desktop, height, fit content, double click on it, name it all images, make it grid, and let's increase the columns to 5, row to 3, inside it, draw a frame, add some radius, 15, then duplicate this 14 more times, click here, fill, click here and upload images. Next, click here, scroll down and remove its fill color. Add some padding, 15. Wrap this layer in a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter. Name it container, change the position type to sticky and add some spacing at the top. Drop it here. Fill, viewport 100 VH, remove its fill color, name it spacer. Finally, let's add one more frame as our trigger. So, add a frame. Drop it here, width, fill, height 10, name it trigger, scroll down, scroll section, name it trigger. Now select it and press down arrow on your keyboard to position it at the bottom. When this frame reaches the viewport, the animation will play. Don't worry, this will make a lot more sense once you see it. Now click here, effects, scroll animation and select the trigger section in view and the section is trigger, viewport bottom, unlock it, click here, opacity 1, scale it maybe 3. As you can see, our image isn't at the top, we will fix it later. Go to transition, ease, set the time 3 and now click this exit, opacity 1, again transition, ease, set the time 3. Now let's preview to see how it looks. As you can see, when this frame enters the viewport, the animation starts. We will use this same concept for the rest of the images. Go back and then select all the images, unselect it, and then go to effects, again scroll animation, trigger, section in view, select the section, trigger, viewport bottom, unlock it and leave the opacity like this, 0, go to transition, ease, set the time 3, we will change the delay later. And now the exit, opacity 1, transition, is, again set the time 3. Now click the first image, transition, just tweak the delay values, use any number between 0.2 to 0.6, so make it 0.5 and then go back, go to exit, ease out and enter the same value 0.5 as for this. Now go back, click enter 0.4. Alright, the reason we did this because this creates a sequential reveal where the images appear one after another. By the way, this type of animation is called stagger effect. It's only available for CMS based layouts, so we can't use it here and that's why we need to set the delays manually. Now let's give it a preview to see how it looks. Yeah, it looks almost the same as our project. The only thing we missed is setting the scale to 0 on here, the enter effect. So let me quickly fix that for all the images. Make it 0 only for the enter effect. Now click here, 0, 0. Now let's see. Yeah, it looks perfect. Now let's add the text. So press T on your keyboard to add text. Select it, make it white, change the font to Oswald, size 100, weight bold and reduce the letter. Drop it here, position absolute, align it center like this and then right click on it, create component, name it text or anything you'd like. Click here and change the name to find. Now all we need to do is create variables for the size. So click here, create variable. Also for this font size to leave it like this. We can change it later to something meaningful. Go to effects, scroll variant, trigger section in view, viewport bottom. Select the section trigger to set variant to. Now let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks perfect. We can simply remove this fill color. Click here, remove its fill color. Now let's make it responsive. Click this plus, tablet. Click here, font size maybe 60, also 60 for the second text. Now let's see. Yeah, perfect. As for the font, click here. Since fonts don't have much space, we will use 3 columns so the images are easier to see. So go to this container, all images, set the column 3. Yeah, it looks much better. As for the text, make it 40, also here 40. Now let's see. Perfect. So that's pretty much it. Take some time to fine tune it. And if you have made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.